Okay, teacher.
Teacher, still not everyone joined, only 12.
Yes, we are waiting for them, teacher. It's okay.
There are 8 more.
9, oh yeah, 8.
Okay, how are you, everyone? I really miss every one of you, and I'm very happy that we are able to contact during these situations. And I'm happy for you so you can answer. Let's ask me any question you want. We are here to answer your questions. The others are gonna to join, but I have to start because it's the time now. Okay, these are, if you can see now the screen, these are the covered lessons. You studied them by the YouTubes and the videos I sent to you. Okay, we studied together some lessons from chapter 7 and some lessons from chapter 9. But what's our plan for today? What are we going to do? We are going to teacher to do revision for all the lessons you studied. So I'll make sure that everyone understand everything. And if you have any question, you are able to ask me today, okay? Okay, for today, we are going to do the revision for these 3 lessons: fractions and mixed numbers on a number line, and equivalent fractions, and greatest common factor. And for the next lesson, inshallah, for the next week, inshallah, we're going to do revision for these lessons, okay? Okay, what about the videos I sent to you? You teacher, you can keep study them. You have to study them by your own, and we will discuss them during the live classes together, okay? Okay, let's start with the first lesson, which is fractions and mixed numbers on the number line. Okay? Okay. I divided this lesson into 2 parts. First, we're gonna to remember how do we locate fractions on a number line. Then we will study how to locate mixed numbers on a number line. Okay, if you have your student book, you may open pages 404, 405. Okay. When we have a number line, teacher, we're gonna to put a fraction on a number line, we need to divide it into many sections, okay? Okay, what is a fraction? Before we locate it, we need to talk about what is a fraction. A fraction is a representation of a piece of a whole. What is a whole? A whole is a 1, okay? Fractions belongs between 0 and 1. Okay, let's do that. Here, how many parts we can see in this number line? 1, 2, 3, 4. So each section represents 1/4. This is the first fourth. This is the second fourth. This is the third fourth. This is the fourth fourth. Okay. Here, how many parts we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the same. Okay. Here, this number line is divided into 2 parts. So each section represents 1/2. Here, we have these sections. So each section represents 1/3. This is the first third, this is the second, and this is the third one. Okay. Are you ready to discuss this example? Here, they want us to read what point A represents. We have this number line. It's divided between 0 and 1 into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure, teacher, that all these parts are equal parts. Okay, equal parts. Let's check. They represent what fraction? 1, 2, 3. We took 3 parts here. We took only 3 parts. So it represents 3/8. 3/8. Okay. Now I want one of you to discuss with me question 2, page 405. But I'm going to mute one of you. Unmute one of you. So please raise your hands so I will know who wants to answer with me the first question. I'm going to help you. Raise your hands. Okay, Aus? Yes, you may start.
Yes.
Read the question,
teacher,
please. Read the question.
draw a number line to show each set of numbers.
Okay,
Then
then
order the numbers from least to greatest.
least to greatest. Okay, good job. Okay. Yes.
First, we need to draw a line.
Okay, we need to draw a line and we need to divide this line into how many parts, Aus?
9 parts.
Okay, why 9?
Because the whole number is 9.
Because the denominator is 9. Great job. So this is the 9. We have. Okay. And we divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5, 6,
7, 8, 9. Good job. Okay, now. We need to,
ordering.
yes.
First, we put 3 out of 9.
Where? We need to count how many?
We first draw the fractions and improper fractions. First,
Okay. Where do we put the 3 over now? We need to count how many spaces? 1,
3.
2, 3. Okay, let's. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 3. Okay, so we're gonna to count them. Great job. Okay. After two jumps, we may put what?
2 out of 9.
Great job. Okay, then
3 out of 9.
yes, after 3 jumps, yes, and
Then 4 out of 9.
great job, Aus. Thank you. I'm gonna to choose another one to order them for me. Excellent, teacher. Now I'm gonna to mute you. Thank you. Raise your hand, teacher. I will choose another one to order them for me. Okay, Kinan? Yes.
Okay. And then we got 3 out of 9.
Yes, order them. Order them, teacher.
And we have 1, 2, 3. We're gonna put the 3 here out of the 9.
Okay, 3 out of 9 first. Okay, I'm going to tell you a very small information, then you may answer. Teacher, when we order them, we move on the number line from left to right. From left to right, from smallest to greatest. Okay, so which one is the smallest one? Which one is on the left?
2 out of 9.
Great job. This is the smaller one. What about the next?
And 2 out of 9, then 3 out of 9, and 4 out of 9 is the greatest one because it's the list, list other numbers left.
Yes, because when we go, whenever we go to the left, the numbers are getting smaller on a number line. Yes, great job, great job, great job, Kinan. Great job. Okay, you are good teacher today. You are very good. Okay, I'm gonna to mute you, Kinan, and I will move to part number 2. Part number 2. Here we are gonna to locate mixed numbers now. Okay. Locate points for 2, 1 over 7, 1, 5 over 7, and 13 over 7 on a number line, and then order them. So you're gonna have 2 things to do. We're gonna to locate and order them. But teacher, how do we do that? I'm gonna to tell you the steps. Step number 1 is we need to change each mixed number into an improper fraction. Who can help me to change the first fraction into an improper fraction? Who can help me? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yes. Okay. Who is this? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna to choose one of you. Okay, Amir. Yes, Amir.
Multiply 7
Yes.
by 2.
Great job.
And put 1.
And add. Yes.
1.
Yes, so 7 times 2.
14.
Great job. Then plus 1.
15.
Great job. So what is the final number? What do we have here?
15 on 7.
Out of 7. 15 out of 7.
Out of 7.
Okay. You may do the next one for me?
Yes.
Yes.
7 multiply 1 plus 5 equals 12. 12
Yes.
on 7.
Not on. 12 out of?
12 out of 7.
Great job. So now, do we have to change the third one, Amir, or it's ready for us?
Ready for us.
Ready for us. So we have now three improper fractions to locate them on a number line, right?
Right.
Right, thank you. I'm going to choose another one to order them for me on a number line, to locate them for me on a number line. Thank you. Okay, raise your hands if you are ready to do the next step. Khaled. Okay, Khaled, how are you?
Fine.
Fine. Okay, let's do the next one, teacher. If we want to locate these mixed numbers here, we have to divide our number line into how many parts? Yes, Khaled, into how many parts we need to divide our number line here between 0 and 1? Into how many parts?
7.
Great job. Why 7? Why? Because what?
Because
Yes.
because
What do we call it?
the down next number is 7.
Okay, we name it denominator, Khaled. What do we name it?
The denominator.
Yes, the number down, we name it denominator. Since it's 7, we need to divide each unit into 7 parts. Let's check. Between 0 and 1, here we have a unit. We're going to divide it into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, and also between 1 and 2, here we have another unit. And we're going to divide it also into what? How many parts?
7.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Are you ready with me to put the first? Let's go back here. We want to locate 15 out of 7. Can you count 15 parts for me?
Yeah.
Yes, well, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yes?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2, 1.7.
Excellent. 15, it's the same as 2, 1
Oh,
out of
2.
7. Yes, great job. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'm going to choose another one to locate the other 2 mixed numbers for me. Okay, raise your hands. Aus, I think you didn't answer, yes? Okay, Aus, did you answer?
Yes.
Okay, so teacher, please forgive me. I need another student to answer. Okay, teacher?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Abdulrahman.
Teacher.
Hello, okay.
Hello, teacher.
Can you do for me the next 2 improper fractions?
1 and 5 out of 7.
Yes.
And 3 out of 7.
Yes. Let's do 13 out of 7. Where do we put it?
Okay.
We need to count how many?
1
Yeah.
1 and 6 out of 7.
Yes, it's here because we counted how many sections? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sections we need to count to
13.
jump? 13. That's great. That's a great teacher.
13.
Yes. And we still have what? What? 12.
12.
Yes. Can you do it for me? We need to count how many parts?
12.
Yeah.
12.
Great job. It's the same as what? 1, 5 out?
7.
Yes. Can you order them for me? When we order them from least to greatest, we move from which direction to which direction on a number line?
From right to left.
From smallest to greatest.
Okay.
From where to where?
From smallest to greatest.
Okay, which one is the smallest? In the left or in the right?
In the right.
No, teacher, the
Okay,
smallest
on
is
the
on the left. Yes. Okay, so order them for me, teacher, please.
Okay. Should I order now?
Yes.
Yes. 1 out of 1 and 5 out of 7.
Great job.
13 out of 7.
Yes.
Then 2 and 1 out of 7.
Yes, because you moved from left to right, yes?
Yes.
Yes, you understand it?
Yes.
Great job, thank you. I'm gonna to mute you now, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, who can help me now? Question 13, page 405. I want someone to read it and to do it with me. Raise your hands. Muhammad? Yes, Muhammad. Read it, please.
Draw a number line to show each set of numbers.
Yes.
Then order the numbers from least to greatest.
Great job. Okay. The first step, what do we do, teacher? We have here mixed numbers. What do we change them into what?
Into improper fraction.
Great job. Can you do the first one for me?
2 and 3 out of 10.
Yes, do it.
Okay. 10 times 2 equals 23.
20. 20. Yes.
Then 2 plus 3 equals 23.
Great job. Okay.
And the denominator is the same.
Never change. The denominator never change, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
10 times 1 equals 10. Plus
Okay.
4, 14. And the denominator is the same.
Okay, great job. Do we have to do something here?
No.
Because it's what?
Already improper fraction.
Yes, great job. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you. I'm going to choose another one to complete the question with me. Thank you. Raise your hands to locate them on a number line. Yes, Karmul. Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Okay, can you, teacher, locate them for me on a number line?
You put a number line that has 10 spaces.
Excellent. Why 10 pieces? Because the denominator is
Because the
what?
denominator is 10.
Great job. Okay, start with me. You're going to start with which one?
12 on 10.
Okay, but we have to put each unit contains 10 parts. Yes, let's count with me here, teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, what do we have? 1. Okay. Now the other 10 units. Then we have what?
2.
2. The other 10 units. Then we have
3.
3. Great job. Okay. Now you are able to put your improper fractions. Yes.
Yeah. You start with 12 on 10.
Okay. Where do we put it? After or before 1?
After
How many sections I need to take?
2.
Okay. So let's check that. Great job. Excellent. Because here we have 10 and 11, 12. Okay.
Yeah.
The next one.
14 out of 10. Another
Yes.
2 space.
Yes, we take 2 sections after. Excellent. Great job. What about 23?
After the 2.
Yes.
And 3 sections or 3 spaces.
Yes, we take 3 sections after 2, and here we have 23 out of 10. A great job, Karmoul. You did well. Okay, I want someone else to what? To order them for me. To order them for me from left to right. Please raise your hands, teacher. Raise your hands. Omar Hijaz, yes.
12 out of 10.
Yes.
Then 14 out of 10.
Yes.
Then 23 out of 10.
Great job. Can you remind your friends, you move from where to where?
Left to right.
To order them from least to?
Greatest.
Great job. Thank you. Let's check your answer. Yes, the order is excellent. Very good. That's correct. Thank you.
No problem.
Now we are ready to start with the second lesson, which is equivalent fractions. And we studied it. So we're gonna to remember the basic ideas here. To find equivalent fractions, we have two ways. Way number one, when we multiply, okay, like here. Way number two, when we divide. But when we multiply or divide, we have to choose one number. Here, if we choose 2, we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. If we choose to divide 3, for example, to divide by 3, we need to do the same operation using the same number in the numerator and denominator. Now, the answer is an equivalent fraction. For example, 3 out of 8 is equivalent to 6 out of 16. Here, 20 out of 25 is equivalent to 4 out of 5, okay? Okay, we will discuss the two ways. Let's start with way number one. Here, when we multiply, we get more complicated fractions. Why, teacher, more complicated? Because the numbers are getting larger. Here, for example, 2 out of 3. If we choose to multiply both numbers here, the up and down, by 5, 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. So the numbers are getting larger. This is why we say we're getting a more complicated fraction. Now, our fraction 2 out of 3 is equivalent to the answer, which is 10 out of 15. And you can check here the drawings. They have the same area, the same amount of, imagine if it's a pizza, yeah? You are getting the same amount of area. Okay. Here, 2 out of 5, we're gonna to choose another number. For example, if we choose to multiply by 3 out of 3, 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. So, 6 out of 15 is the same exact value, has the same exact value as 2 out of 5. Okay. Because we are multiplying, we're getting a more complicated fraction. And teacher, why these two fractions have the same value? Here, because we are multiplying by another value of 3 out of 3 is 1. So this is why the value of the fraction never change. If we are talking about way number 2, which is dividing, if we choose to divide by a number which is 5 out of 5, here, let's do it. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 10 out of 25 is the same as 2 out of 5. But the difference, teacher, when we divide by numbers, are we getting a more complicated fraction or a simple equivalent fraction? Are we simpling here or make them more complicated? The numbers are getting smaller. That means we are making them simpler or more complicated? Who can answer? Who can answer? Since the numbers are smaller. Yes, yes, Ali. Okay, the internet is weak. Okay, Ali. Yes. Yes, Ali, you may answer.
What is the question?
Okay, when we divide, are we make the answer is simpler or more complicated?
Simple. Yes.
Excellent, simpler. Why? Why it's more simple? Why? Because the numbers are smaller or bigger?
Smaller.
Smaller. When we multiply, let's compare. When we multiply, as we did here, the numbers are getting greater, yes? So here the answer is more complicated. But when we divide, the numbers are smaller. So it's what more?
Simplest.
More simple, yes. More simple. Thank you, Ali.
You're welcome.
Okay, who can discuss with me this one? Who can discuss with me this one? Yes, Ali.
Yeah.
Quickly. Yes, Ali. You have a question?
No, nothing, teacher, nothing.
Okay. Okay. Who want to discuss this with me? Who want to discuss this with me? I'm going to choose one of you. Kurd, yes. Ahmed al-Kurd didn't answer. Yes.
Teacher, the teacher of English, she was opening a meet and we get in the meet. So we come here, so we don't know anything about what you're talking.
Well, it's 4 o'clock. It's the math time, right?
Yes, but the teacher sent a meet before you, so all of 7 of us get in.
Okay,
Then we
okay,
come
teacher.
back to you.
It's okay. If you okay, what are we doing here? We are what? We are doing a revision for all the lessons we studied, okay?
Okay.
I divide them into 3 parts. Today we are going to do a revision of two lessons, and next inshallah week we're going to revise the others, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so don't worry, teacher. You can help me. I know you are excellent. Can you please read this for me? The question. Find.
Sometimes you need to
Yes.
change a fraction
Yes.
to an
Equivalent.
equivalent fraction
Yes.
with a different mentor.
Numerator. Say it. Numerator.
Numerator or
Yes.
denominator.
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 Yes, okay. Denominator is the number down here, and the numerator is the number up, okay? Okay. Okay. Teacher, to get an equivalent fraction, we may multiply or divide, right?
Yes.
Yes, here we did something to make the 5 be 10, right? We have to do the same thing to make 2 become what?
Multiply it by 2.
Excellent. So 2 times 2 equals what?
4.
So the missing number is what?
4.
Excellent. Great job. Thank you. Great job. Okay, follow with us, teacher. If you have any question, you may write it in the chat, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's move to the next example, which is example number B. Who may read it? I want new students. I want everyone to answer. Aus. Yes. Yes, Aus. We have 2 Auses here. Yes, Aus.
You are unmuted.
Yes, Aus, you are. Yes, you may answer, teacher.
Teacher, I am Amir.
You really? Okay. Okay, Aus.
Yes, teacher, what do you want?
Read the question.
Name 2 equivalent fractions for each fraction.
Yes, and yes.
5 out of 6.
Yes, you may choose way 1 or way 2. It's up to you.
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to. 5 out of 6. One equivalent fraction is 10 out of 12.
Excellent. What did you do? You multiplied by what?
By 2.
Excellent. Okay. Excellent, Aus. Thank you. I want another one to give me other answers. Other answers here, for example. Who's this? Okay, Hiba's iPhone. Who are you here?
نغير اسمي.
Who are you? Yes, teacher, who are you?
مش عمر طه بس I will rename.
Okay, teacher. Okay, خلاص, I know you now. Okay, next lesson, teacher, you teacher, please do a rename, okay? So I'll take the absence correctly. Okay, now you can answer. خلاص, now I know you. سجلتك. Okay, كمل. 5 out of 6. Yes, عمر. عمر? وينه؟ Okay. Hashim, can you answer?
Teacher, I was in the English class, so I don't.
Okay, teacher, don't worry, don't worry. Our lesson today is only revision. We're going to discuss all your questions. That's it, okay? We are not studying a new lesson.
Okay.
Okay, you follow all the lessons I sent to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, here if you have any questions, and I'm examining the basic ideas for you. So can you, teacher, give me an equivalent fraction to 5 out of 6? You may use two ways, way 1 or way 2. You may multiply or divide. Okay, I'm going to give you...
Multiply
Okay, choose. Multiply by what?
by 2.
By 2. So what are you going to get?
10 out of 12.
Great job. Excellent. So great job. Okay, I'm going to give sample answers here. If you multiply by 2, the answer is 10 out of 12. If you multiply by 3, 15 out of 18. Okay, great job. Great job. Who can answer the next one? Who can answer the next one? Give me. Yes.
I want to divide it.
I want another one to give me the answer of the next one. Yes, Asad. Can your teacher do that for me? 8 after 16. Yes, Asad.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. 8 out of 16. Can you give me an equivalent fraction?
Like how?
You were with us?
No.
Okay, this is why. We're
I
gonna
was in the
multiply.
bathroom.
Yeah. Okay. We may multiply or divide by a number. Okay. So here, if we choose, for example, to divide by 2, 8 divided by 2, 4. 16 divided by 2, 8. So you need to choose a number and an operation to make an equivalent fraction.
16 divided by 2.
You want to divide by 2? Okay, I solve it like that. Can you give me another solution? Choose another number, for example.
16 divided by 4.
By 4, excellent. 8 divided by 4 is?
2.
Excellent. And 16 divided by 4?
16 divided by 4 is 4.
Excellent. So here are some sample answers for you. You may choose any other numbers or you may multiply. Okay, I want someone to give me the missing numbers here. The missing numbers. The missing numbers. Yes, Talal. Hello, Talal. Talal?
Hi.
Hi, teacher. Can you give me the missing number here?
Yeah.
Yes. The 8 became into 1. How is that?
Teacher, I was late from the class. So,
Okay. I will help you. It's okay. I will help you here. Teacher, the 8 become 1. Okay, how is that? We divided by 8, right?
yeah.
Okay, so we need to do the same operation down to make an equivalent fraction.
Okay.
Okay, so can you do the same operation? Can you do 24 divided by 8?
Yeah.
Okay, and the answer is?
24 divided by 8.
Yes.
3.
So the answer is 3. That's correct.
3.
That's correct. Why it's 3? Because we did here what? Divide by 8. So we need to do the same operation down. We should also do 24 divided by 8. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, great job. Focus with us. If you have any question, you may send it using the chat, okay?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Follow with us, okay. Okay. Who can answer the next one? Amr. Yes, Amr. Yes, teacher.
Teacher, I was late, but I can solve it.
Yes, please.
Okay, question 8,
Yes.
2. 7 out of 2.
2 out of 7. Great job. Can you explain to your friend? 21 divided by?
Yes. 7. I divided
By?
I divided by 3 the
Yes.
21 and the 6, so I got the answer 2.
Great job. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you. We're going to move to the third lesson here, teacher, which is the greatest common factor, okay? Okay.
Okay. Teacher,
Yes. Yes, teacher.
is this lesson recorded so I can watch
Yes.
it again?
Yes,
in
it's
school?
recorded. Yes, everyone can watch it. It's recorded, teacher. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay. The first, we're going to talk what are the common factors. Common factors of two numbers are factors that are the same. For example, here, if we have these two numbers, 18 and 24, we're going to write all the factors of both of them. Here, what are the factors of 18? We have 1 times 18 gives me 18, 2 times 9 gives me 18, and 3 times 6 gives me 18. So these are all the factors of 18. Yes? Okay, let's check all the factors of 24. All the factors of 24. 1. Okay, I'm gonna do. Okay, 1 times 24 and 2 times 12, 3 times 8 and 4 times 6 gives me 24. So these are the factors of 24. Let's talk about the common factors. Common factors means the factors that are the same. What are the factors that are the same? I colored them for you by red. So they are 1, 2, we have 2 here and 2 here, 3 here and 3 here, 6 here and 6 here. So these are the common factors, okay? Okay. Informations to know. Our lesson is not common factors. We are more concerned about the greatest common factor. So this is our abbreviation. We're going to write GCF for greatest common factor. We know that the common factors of 18 and 24 are here. 1, 2, 3, 6. So which one is the greatest number? Which one is the greatest common factor? It is 6. So the greatest common factor here is 6. Here we have a question. Is 3 also a greatest common factor of 18 and 24? Hashim?
Yes.
Is 3 also a greatest common factor? How many greatest common factor we have?
1.
1. We know that 6 is the greatest one. Can we say that 3 also a greatest common factor?
No.
No, we have only one greatest common factor, which is what?
6.
Yes, that's correct. So teacher, remember, we only have one greatest common factor. Let's discuss. Thank you, Hashim. Let's discuss these questions. Okay. Ahmed Al-Kur, did you answer?
Yes.
Ahmed, okay, teacher, can you read the question?
Okay. Find the greatest common factor of each part of numbers.
Pair of numbers.
Pair of numbers.
Okay, what are the factors of 16?
1
Times
2,
16.
1 times 16, 2 times 4,
Yes,
2 times 8,
yes, and 4 times 4. So we write 4 how many times?
1 time.
When we don't write repeated numbers, we write only each number only one time. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What are the factors of a 24?
1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8,
Yes,
4 times 6.
thank you. Which one is the greatest common factor, greatest common number? Number we can find it here, and the greatest one. Which one?
8.
8. Thank you. I'm going to choose other one to answer it.
Okay.
Okay. Kokash, I think. Kokash, did you answer?
No, teacher.
Okay, can you do question 4 for us?
Question 4. 30.
Yes.
1 times 30.
Yes.
2 times 2 times
Time what
2
equals 30?
2 times what? What?
2 times 15.
Yeah, 2 times 15 is 30.
Yes.
3 times 10 is 30. 5
Yes.
no, 5 no. 6 times 5.
Yes.
And
Thank you. What are the factors of 36?
1 times 36.
Yes.
Teach me again or someone else?
Great job. 1 times 36. I had a mistake. It's not 38, 36. Okay. Okay. Complete.
2 times no, it's 30. Oh, okay.
Yes.
2 times 17. 2 times 17.
18.
18.
And
6 times.
teacher, can you see them here on the board? They are on the board.
Yes, I can see them.
Yes. 3 times what?
3 times 12.
Yes. And
6 times wait, 6 times 6 does not have, teacher.
6 times 9.
6 times 9.
Yes, teacher, I want you to remember all the multiplication tables, okay?
Okay.
Okay, using these numbers, which one is the greatest common factor? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 6. Which one is the greatest common factor?
6.
Thank you. Excellent. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, we have finished all the questions. Here, inshallah, next lesson in our live lesson, inshallah, we're gonna to discuss these lessons. The lessons are left for us, okay? Okay. So for the students who were late, teacher, today we discussed only these 3 lessons, okay, together to make sure that everyone understands all the ideas. And for our next, inshallah, live class, we're going to discuss these lessons. But after we discuss our lessons, I really need to say something quickly for you. Teacher, it's all about the homework. Teacher, I want you to do the online homework. Don't solve the homework using the book and photo it for me. I want your teacher to solve it online so I can get your names, your answers. Also, I have like this. Your answers are sent to me. For example, this is an answer of a grade 4. Look here. I got your name, your section, and all your answers one by one. So it's easier for me and for you to solve it. It's not the questions, the online link I sent you, it's not a quiz, it's the same homework. I just make it by a link to make it easier for you and me to solve it, okay? So please solve the homework using the link, okay?
Yes.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
The lesson the lesson is finished. If you have any question, please raise your hand.
Annie.
Yes.
Don't tell me this one.
6 times 9 is 54.
Teacher.
Yes. 6 times 9 equal 54.
54, teacher.
Yeah,
Oh,
teacher. That's why I
yes.
got
Yes, great job. Okay, I will correct it, okay, before I send it in the school.
Teacher,
Okay.
there is another wrong thing in the presentation. That presentation, teacher.
Teacher, yes. Yes, teacher, complete. Okay, teacher, wait. Before you leave, I need to check that I want to check the absence. So I will write the names of the students who were here with me. Okay, teacher. If you have anything you want to say, please send it by chat because it's time. Our time is over here. Is over. Please, if you have anything, send it by chat here. You can write it here in the chat. Down. Okay, I'm very happy. I heard you today. I heard you here, and inshallah we're gonna meet you inshallah in the next week. See you, teacher. See you. Goodbye.